Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accented. 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 Accented is the past participle form of the verb accent, and it is used to describe something that has a specific pronunciation or speech pattern that stands out due to its unique characteristics. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The actor delivered his lines in a perfectly accented Scottish brogue for the historical drama. Why accented is used in example number 1. Accented is used to describe the actor's skill in pronouncing words in a distinct Scottish manner, which was necessary for the role. Example number 2. The linguist's research focused on understanding accented speech patterns among immigrant communities. Why accented is used in example number 2. Accented is used in the context of linguistic research to describe speech patterns that are unique to immigrant communities. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.